Good morning, everybody. I just woke up like 30 minutes back. Oh, my throat has not improved at all. The pain is radiating to my ears. I look really, really bad. I look so awful, I know. It's because I've been really sick. I'm not even able to speak. This pain is killing me. The medicines that they prescribe, I don't think so. I shouldn't say because it's only been a day I've been taking. So I still have plans to go to work. I don't want to skip work, but I think I need to ask my manager before I go to work because I think I've got a bacterial infection and it can be contagious. And I work with vulnerable patients. I don't want to spread my infection to anyone. So I don't want to show up to work like this. I want to talk to my manager. I want to see what he has got to say. I just woke up. The day is so beautiful out there. I wish I was completely fine. I wish I could go to work happily. I cannot talk more. My ear is hurting so bad. And I think I should take my morning antibiotics, and I have to plan my roast that. I've been taking medication without eating. I'm not able to eat. When I swallow, it is hurting really, really bad. But I hope after taking this antibiotic, I would go and eat something. We'll see. So this tastes horrible. Even water, I can't even drink water. It's paining my throat. I don't know what kind of shit infection is this. Next week I'm on annual leave. Thank God. I don't want to waste my annual leave being sick and sleeping entire day. I hope I could do anything, something else. Oh my God, I've got like occupational health blood test on 19th. And I've got annual leave. This is my okay guys, I wanted to plan for the March. Maybe I'll do for the April as well. Oh my God. So guys, I'm not really going to work today. I'm not really happy about it. I really wanted to go, and I don't know, I'm not really feeling well. And I definitely don't want to spread my bacterial infection in my workplace, so it's like it's better I stay home. I'm staying home today and tomorrow, and then I will be working for the rest of the week. Yeah, I don't know what else to do. I'm just like really, really sick. I'm just lying down. I just showered, had some food because I don't want to stay hungry. And as you can see, I look pretty dehydrated. Yeah. I'm just gonna sleep for a while. I'm sleeping since last 1 week. That's the only thing I did. Nothing else I did. Because so you guys, I am sitting on my chair to do makeup. Because I am so bored sleeping in my bed all day long. I still have really bad throat pain. You can't tell by looking at my face, but my throat is in so much pain. I took all the medicines. I don't know what is wrong with my throat. Why am I not getting well? That anesthetic spray, that doesn't work. Honestly, like, the pain is still there. I took the Lonzies, I don't know, I think maybe I need to take the antibiotics for a couple more days, then I might be okay. I only had one meal the entire day. It's 5 p.m. I guess. Oh no, it's about to be 6. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening, and since morning I only had one meal and I couldn't even finish that. Nothing else I'm eating. And this is my, I think, second sip of water since morning. I didn't even drink water. I drank water just for the tablet. I don't know what to do. Even water, I don't know, you guys. How am I gonna be okay? I'm bored and I just don't want to sit down and just lie on my bed and just, cry about my throat. So I decided to make a video. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm putting lip mask. I won't be talking in the video for this part of my makeup because I cannot really talk. I have got really bad pain. So I really wanted to do some makeup looks. I wanted to experiment, so I'm gonna do it today because nothing else I can do. So yeah.
Just ask your ex. Been real good this year, I'd say. I've scored enough to ride your sleigh. Have I been naughty or nice? That list of yours, just check it twice. We go ho, ho, ho in the chimney tonight.
Done with my eyebrows and my eye makeup.
Twinkle in your eyes, you fool no one, there's no disguise, you feel it too, just let it ride, no point in letting this subside. We go ho, ho, ho in the chimney tonight. We gon' Leo stay just a little on the side, on the side, on the side, on the side. Santa Claus, Mr. Claus, you ain't right. Christmas gift I can't buy. We go ho, ho, ho in the chimney tonight. Santa Claus, Mr. Claus, you ain't right. You're so naughty.
Guys, I'm finally done with my makeup. I really wanted to do a lot of like caked up makeup because it's been almost like 10 days since I've done my makeup. Let's do the hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna rest for a bit because I'm not really feeling that well, to be very honest. I did the video because I want to feel better. I was so tired lying on bed all day long. My throat is in tremendous pain, so I'm gonna take my antibiotics and eat something and then rest for a bit, and then I'll think what to do. So yeah, that's it for the look. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning, everybody. I just woke up like an hour ago, and it's been 2 days of me lying on this bed, and I haven't gone to work because my throat is in so much pain. Every morning it heals, I can talk, my throat feels good. As the day progresses, my throat starts to ache. Last night was like horrible. It was so much in pain. The pain was radiating to my ear. It was in so much pain. I can't tell you. I put eardrops twice. I don't know what is causing the ear pain, but my throat is still paining. So the moment I woke up, I could not swallow. Like, it was so much pain, even my ears. So I took one of the tablets, Lonzits, and now after like taking the tablet, and it's been like an hour, I feel a bit okayish. So yeah, I just wanted to update because I was editing the video since last 1 hour. So I was like, you know what, I'll just quickly, make a clip saying how am I feeling. So from tomorrow I've got to go to work, and yeah, I've got nothing else to say. I'm going, no matter how painful my throat is, I'm still gonna go because I don't know what to do. I can't be skipping work like the entire month. No, I can't do that. So I'm gonna go to work because I have to survive. I need to pay bills. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I don't know what to do with my pain and this infection. I don't know. I'm just taking antibiotics, that's all. And yeah, and also I made, as I always keep saying, I'm gonna make a Shein haul and London haul. I did both the hauls. I'm gonna edit and upload, so after this video you would see a Shein haul. Yeah, see you, bye.